Steady growth and professionalism are the guiding principles on which Pan-Continental has conducted business since its founding in 1979. Since establishment in 1979, Pan-Continental has been dedicated to the manufacturing of zinc and copper compounds, including zinc oxide, active zinc oxide, zinc carbonate, copper oxide, copper carbonate, zinc chloride, and other industrial raw materials. It has won the trust and support of more than 1,000 customers worldwide for its quality, excellence, and dedicated services. An indispensable partner for our many customers, Pan-Continental is at the forefront of the industry. In addition to 2 plants and the head office in Taiwan, Pan-Continental has set up production plants in Guangzhou, Kunshan, Chendan, Haiman, and Dongguan in order to expand its business domain and offer services to more customers. This demonstrates Pan-Continental's substantial strength and determination to expand. Strong R&D and continual innovation. Pan-Continental is one of the few companies in the industry to have independent R&D capabilities. In addition to developing high-quality products, the company also engages in collaboration with domestic and overseas research institutions in developing more advanced procedures. It also develops special processes and raw material formulations to cater to customers' different needs. Rigorous surveillance and quality assurance. Upholding the business philosophy of service and quality first. All of the processes, from raw materials to finished products, undergo rigorous procedures. The company is equipped with a comprehensive laboratory and advanced inspection equipment, such as the AA spectrophotometer, powder characteristics analyzer, ultraviolet visible spectrophotometer, BET analyzer, laser diffraction particle size analyzer. All the products are in line with the EU RoHS standards and are regularly sent for inspection provided by the SGS. Pan-Continental obtained the ISO 9002 Quality System certification in 1996, which was revised into the ISO 9001-2000 in 2002. The completion of the EU REACH pre-registration in 2009 is a demonstration of our demanding persistence for quality and R&D. Professional manufacture. Technology leadership. In more than 3 decades, Pan-Continental focuses on producing and developing zinc and copper compounds to have the most advanced producing technology and capability in industries. Zinc oxide, active zinc oxide, zinc carbonate. PCC is one of the few companies with both dry and wet process zinc oxide producing lines. Not only provides stable and high quality zinc oxide, active zinc oxide, zinc carbonate, but also has the ability to develop the special grades on customers' demands. Applications of zinc oxide and zinc carbonate include rubber, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, electronics, feeds, ceramics, catalyst, and paints. Applications of conductive zinc oxide include paints, plastics, rubber, and adhesives. Pan-Continental also manufactures and supplies high-purity liquid and solid zinc chloride for battery, galvanizing, and water treatment. High-grade copper oxide and copper carbonate. Since 2001, Pan-Continental has developed high-grade copper oxide and copper carbonate needed for printed circuit boards industry. The products have passed the printed circuit board industry's most stringent quality tests and won long-term trust in this field. Applications of copper oxide, copper carbonate include electronic printed circuit boards, pharmaceuticals, catalyst, ferrite, ceramics, and wood treatment. Applications of high conductivity copper powder of ultrafine dispersion include electronics, communication, and aviation fields. Pan-Continental produces a complete range of products of which the quality are stable and excellent. With these broad-ranging applications, Pan-Continental will continue upholding the spirit of research and innovation to provide more diversified products all around the world. With Taiwan as its base and the Asia-Pacific region as its center, the company is targeting a global market by setting up service stations in China and around the world. Pan-Continental endeavors to become a benchmark enterprise by adhering to its corporate vision of innovation, service, and efficiency, thereby solidifying its status as a world-class professional service provider.